Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we'll dive into a range of must-have gadgets and tools that you can incorporate into your daily life. From tech innovations to handy devices, we cover everything you need to know to level up your productivity and efficiency. Hyde Tools Folding Painter's Tools, a must-have for any construction pro. Hyde Tools is renowned for their labor-loving gadgets, and this multi-tool is no exception. Crafted with input from seasoned painting pros, it's designed to tackle all your painting tasks with ease. From popping open cans to cleaning rollers and stripping away old paint, this tool has got your back. And with the clever addition of a putty knife in the second version, it's even more versatile. But here's the best part. It won't go rogue on you, thanks to its integrated locking mechanism. With prices ranging from $13 to $28, upgrading your painting toolkit won't break the bank. Ready for a game changer? Stay tuned. We're about to unveil a tool that's set to revolutionize the entire packaging industry. Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. This tool is a real game changer, guaranteed to boost happiness and productivity all around. Picture this, a small yet mighty device that weighs about as much as a deck of playing cards, but packs the punch of a heavyweight champ. At just 6.3 ounces or 180 grams, it's incredibly light and compact, yet it handles tasks like installing light fixtures, sockets, and switches with ease. But here's the kicker, it's not just limited to one job. This handy tool can also be used with both a drill and a screwdriver, saving you valuable space in your toolbox while still being incredibly versatile. And at just $49, it's a steal. Plus, it comes with 2 hex keys and offers adjustments for diameters ranging from 1.4 to 3.3 inches or 35 to 83 millimeters. So whether you're working with oriented strand boards, drywall, or softwood, you can trust this tool to deliver precise and neat cuts every single time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to efficiency. Klauke ES20 RMC Remote Cutter. Cable wizards aren't just handy. They're essential in our modern world. That's why they deserve nothing but the best tools, and Klauke delivers just that. Enter this incredibly handy battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool. Imagine wielding a tool that slices through cables like a hot knife through butter, and you can control it with just one hand, no sweat. Whether it's copper, aluminum, or any other cable type, this cutter tackles them all effortlessly. With the ability to handle cables up to 8 inches or 20 millimeters in diameter, it promises precise cuts in under 10 seconds. And get this, it's super compact, weighing in at just 4.4 pounds or 2 kilograms, including the battery. Priced at $172, it's a steal. Plus, you have the option to choose between Makita or Bosch batteries, with a quick recharge time of just 15 minutes. And to top it off, it's perfectly complemented by the IS app, which collects operational data and generates detailed, shareable PDF reports. With cable cutting covered, you'll also need something to cut holes for light sockets and switches. Stay tuned because we've got just the solution coming up next. Range Onyx 1.0, your go-to tool for testing concrete strength after all the heavy lifting of building a structure is done. Concrete's strength can continue to develop for up to 28 days after setting, making the Onyx 1.0 an invaluable asset for builders and inspectors alike. This nifty gadget impresses with its ability to easily determine the class of any concrete. Plus, it can store up to 800 test reports, making record-keeping a breeze. And here's the kicker, it's not just limited to concrete testing. The Onyx 1.0 can also assess coating adhesion strength, concrete strength, and brick bond strength. For $1,500, this tool is a game changer. Trust us, you'll transform your working day with the Onyx 1.0 in your toolkit. And hey, while you're at it, keep an eye out for our remote cutter for all sorts of wires. It's sure to impress. Romax Compact TT. This tool lives up to its name and then some. Don't let its compact size fool you. It's packed with an impressive array of features. Weighing in at about the same as your average bowling ball, this tool is a powerhouse when it comes to crimping fittings. But its benefits don't stop there. Thanks to its cold-resistant battery pack, you can use it in any weather, even in bone-chilling temperatures, as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 10 degrees Celsius. And with a built-in crimping force of 19 kN, you can trust it to secure fittings every single time. Whether it's metal fittings ranging from 0.5 to 1.4 inches or plastic fittings from 0.5 to 1.6 inches in diameter, this tool handles them all with ease. All this convenience and power comes with a price tag of around $2,500. But as they say, you get what you pay for. And trust us, this tool is worth every penny. But wait, our next tool is an absolute marvel in the world of landscaping. You won't want to miss it. Billy Goat Landscape Auger, your all-in-one solution for a myriad of outdoor projects. Whether you're tackling fence and deck building, sign installation, or any other outdoor endeavor, this versatile system has got you covered. Don't let its hefty weight of 600 Ulps or 272 kgs fool you. This model is surprisingly maneuverable, thanks to its cleverly designed wheels of different sizes minus 11 and 18 inches or 28 and 46 centimeters. Plus, its sleek design allows it to fit snugly in the back of a pickup truck, saving you the hassle of removing the drill during transportation. Powered by a robust 13 horsepower or 9.7 kW engine, this auger delivers top-notch performance in its class. And with innovative Z-Link technology, you can expect minimal machine movement during drilling. Talk about precision. The Billy Goat Landscape Auger offers fatigue-free drilling and incredibly easy hole-to-hole transport. And the cherry on top, it's priced at just $965, making it a no-brainer for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Say goodbye to discomfort and strain caused by extended periods of kneeling with Barwalt Ultralight knee pads. Kneeling for long stretches can take a toll, especially since the knee joint lacks the cushioning found in other parts of the body. That's where these knee pads come in. They're a must-have for bricklayers, mechanics, and anyone who regularly finds themselves working in awkward positions. And the best part, they won't break the bank. Priced affordably at just $24, these knee pads offer unbeatable comfort and support. With a total weight of 624 grams, they're lightweight enough for roofers too. The flexible upper part ensures comfort while standing or walking, while the straps provide a precise fit and secure hold, even over jeans. Don't let discomfort slow you down. Grab a pair of Barwalt Ultralight Can 1 knee pads and keep working in comfort all day long. RIDGID SR24 Line Locator, a must-have tool for pinpointing subway pipes and electrical cables. This model, the SR24, takes your locating game to the next level by seamlessly pairing with an app for Android or iOS devices. With real-time data displayed on your smartphone or tablet screen, including depth and GPS coordinates, you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. Plus, you can easily export the data to a file compatible with Google Earth for further analysis. What's more, the RIDGID SR24 can connect via Bluetooth to multiple GPS units, providing even greater versatility. Powered by 4 C-type batteries, it offers a whopping 12 hours of operation on a single charge. All this cutting-edge technology comes with a price tag of $7,200. But trust us, it's worth every penny for the unparalleled precision and efficiency it brings to your underground locating tasks.